There's a difference between taking a glass of water, drinking that, and falling into a swimming pool. The glass of water is for yourself. It nourishes yourself. As you drink it, it brings life within you. You need water to live this life. The first baptism is for your vertical relationship with God. That is for yourself. That is to make you righteous, to come into a right standing with God. You cannot do that on your own. You cannot do anything to receive it. It's by grace through faith. You put faith in the finished works of Jesus. And that vertical relationship between you and God, your Heavenly Father, is restored. The second and the third baptism is for your horizontal relationship with people, your relations on earth. When you fall into a swimming pool, or when you climb into a swimming pool and you immerse yourself, you get completely wet. You get water all over you. And you know what? When you climb out of that swimming pool, and the first person you see, you give them a hug, I guarantee you, that person will also get wet. The water that's upon you, all over you, comes upon that person. It's not for you. It's for others. People will see that person is wet. Wow, that person is different to other people.